That is it. I did it. Even I cut.
Oh, it's Rita, baby.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rita. Into this video, I'm going to be showing you how I cut my hair. Not cutting completely, but just to trim my hair. The part I feel it's kind of damage, like heat damage. As you can see, I don't know if you can see this strand. This is kind of elongated, and if you look carefully, you will see that from here, let me just bring it out, from here to here looks, you can see the difference. You can see from here to here looks healthy, then from here down here looks damaged. This is because there was a time I stretched my hair and I used a lot of heat, and since then the hair has always been, in fact, from this to the ends here, from the root to the ends, was just like this. So I wanted it to grow out a little so that I can So guys, sorry about that. I had a visitor, so I had to attend. So you can see this hair, you can see how the rest are, they're kind of healthier than this one. So this one here, I'm going to chop it off. Yes, you heard me, I'm going to chop it off. I'm not going to leave it like this because, yeah, I've done one before, but I just want to show my people what I do to my hair when I feel like, oh, you're not doing well, I chop you off. So let me quickly do this. So now this is what I'm going, like this one needs to go. It needs to go. So from here, you can see from here to here, it needs to go, really. So I'm taking that off. Are we ready, guys? That is it. I did it. Even I cut the ones that are healthy, I can see, but it's okay. It's just hair. It's just hair. It's going to grow back. Now it's a bit much better than before. So I still got one in the front, as you can see it here. Yeah, this is the one that has that. In fact, I've cut one that was longer than that. So, and then the hair is growing, is thriving. So this one now, I'm going to cut it off also. Like I said, it's just hair, so even if I cut it off, it's going to grow back. So I'm trying to see, yeah, so from here to here it's going, so I will allow to grow more before I trim it off again. So from here to here it's going. Ready, guys? And that's it, it's gone. It's just hair, so it's going to go. So we have I have other hair like that, so I'm just going to just trim them off. If I see anyone I see that I feel it's not worth leaving it there. So you see the side, you can tell the difference from here and this side. So some part of this, but now it feels, I think it feels much better than before. So this one too, let me see. No, I'm not gonna cut. Okay, I have to cut that one. Oh, my scissors. Hey guys, so that's it. So guys, that's it for cutting. So I just cut this few, strands of hair. I'm just trying to check. Now it's much better for me because if I still had this on, you will see how elongated it is. So this it's better. So guys, I'm just going to quickly blow dry my hair just to it's just with a medium heat. This one I cut was from very old time, so I just decided to trim that off today because I think it has, like I said, it was just from down to up and it was just elongated like that. You could just literally see it falling off my face, but this one, so I just have to, just trim it off. So I'm going to blow dry my hair, but I'm going to use a heat protector and I'm going to blow dry it with just low heat. Okay. I'm kind of in a rush right now because I'm going for a school run, so I need to do this and go pick up my kids from school. So right now I'm applying my homemade leave-in conditioner in my hair just to make my hair a bit manageable because like I said, I'm kind of rushing for school run, so I want to try and my best as fast as possible, to be fast as possible. There's no time. So I keep on applying. I just apply generously. Okay, I don't need to be stingy on product that is just there looking at me. It's meant to be used not for fancy, it's not for looking. So anyways, after doing that, I had to comb my hair through. At least it's a bit manageable than when it seems dry before, but now it's much better. And after that, after combing this through, I had to also blow dry it again just to give me a little bit of length. So but I'm going to blow dry it in a low heat. If you've watched this video up to this moment, now is the time for you to click on the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, always leave your notification bell on so that anytime I post a new video you'll be the first to know. And also tell me what you do to how often do you trim your hair when you think it has a split end or maybe heat damage. Let me know in the comment section. This is one good thing about natural hair. you can just mold it to the shape you want. So that is what I'm doing, molding it to the shape I want. So now I'm good to go. This size. That side and the back. So okay guys, that is it. That is what I wanted to show you, how I trim my hair when I feel it really needs cutting. Yeah, I've cut this one. So you can see, I don't know if you can see this one. This one is much thicker. Definitely I cut off some of the healthier ones, but it's fine. Like I said, it's just hair. So from, you can tell from this that this is a whole lot of hair. A whole lot of hair. Why am I to complain? It's going to grow back just in few months back. In few months time it's going to grow back, so I don't really mind. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video you'll be the first to know. And again, if I've done this right, you let me know in the comment section. This is the way I trim off my hair if I think it's time for me to just trim it off. But yeah, like I said, it's not all I did, but I just did a few ones I feel that yeah, they need to go. Just like I'm seeing one now that needs to go, so I'm cutting that one too off. It needs to go. Yeah, see, it needs to go, so that's it. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.